Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I'm going to tell you how you can get stronger by putting less effort in. So, any sort of mild imbalances that you may have within your body or sort of joint displacement and things like that, they are little things not to obsess about or worry about, but to work on correcting and to try and find symmetry with. So especially if you are into strength training and love to lift heavy things, then you want your body to be bilaterally able to cope with that type of training, and the best way, like I said, to do that is to go through symmetry. So working on your core strength in a way that makes you move better when you're shifting weight is very important. So you'll see a lot of stuff that I post about like standing on one leg. So taking away that ability to lean over to one side while pressing is a very good thing to do. And obviously your planks and stuff like that I post as well. Putting the proper intensity into those movements and learning how to move while maintaining that bracing structure is really important. You're bound to have seen people going for max effort lifts and starting to rotate and press and doing all this mad stuff. That all becomes magnified when you're going for heavier weights and stuff like that. So you want to make sure that all the little problems, if you want to call them problems that you may have, that you're working on them a little bit, and that is going to make you stronger long term. You can actually get a lot of strength just from getting your body to work well as a body, rather than just throwing kilos on things or trying to hit different percentages and stuff like that. So they are good things to do as well, but focusing on your body first and then adding the programs to it is a much better method. Okay guys?